On time for do-it-yourself home automation, and this is a look at folding up the back seats in my Honda Odyssey minivan. So this is a 2020 Honda Odyssey. Got the back seats folded down. You can see it's gotten to be a bit of a mess back here. So I'm going to start out by using my Dyson V7 trigger vacuum, just vacuuming out the back. Okay, it's looking much better. Now it's really easy. Just grab the bottom here from this handle. We're just going to pull this straight up. You can see the seat start to emerge. Make sure that the seatbelt ends up on the proper side, doesn't get stuck around here or anything. And we're just going to give this a solid push. Good, that's there. Then the other small one here. And solid push. Then just pull on this strap. And again, we want to make sure the seatbelt ends up in the correct location here. And now we're good. If it doesn't lock in immediately, just move it around a bit, and it should be totally locked. Same deal on this side. Grab this, stowing the magic seat, saying. Not sure it's really magic. And it's locked in. Probably just position it so they're even. Okay, perfect. Now this area needs to be cleared out a bit, so we'll do that. Okay, we're good to go and ready to transport all of the people.